are watching Kidiez World TV. Hello and welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very beautiful and interesting episode for you guys because we have this big open mouth hippopotamus. We have this black African bear, that's a wild bear. We have beautiful farm animals. We have sheep, antelope, elephant, dog, and we have a beautiful cow. So that's the aerial view and everything is fine and perfect. So watch that video till end and please subscribe the channel. That will help us to bring more and more interesting fun videos for you. So let's start our video with this beautiful panda. Panda is basically endangered animal. Very beautiful one. Panda. Here we go. And the next one we have is moose. Moose is a beautiful wild animal. Let's watch him. Here we go, moose.
There was a great big moose. He liked to drink a lot of juice.
And the next one we have is antelope. Antelope is a beautiful wild animal. Let's wash him because he's very dirty. Here we go, antelope. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have horse. That's a beautiful design and color horse. Horse are farm animals, big animal. Let's watch him. Here we go, horse. And the next one we have is sheep. Sheep are beautiful farm animal. Let's watch him. That's a big collection. And here we go. Sheep.
Are we almost there?
5.
No. Now?
And the next one we have is Rhinoceros. These are big wild animal. Let's wash him because he's very dirty. Here we go, Rhinoceros. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have the world's biggest animal, elephant. That's an Asian elephant. Let's wash him. Let's wash. And here we go, elephant. And the next one we have is gorilla. Gorilla are big animal, wild animal with a very tense attitude. Here we go, gorilla. And the next one we have is donkey. Donkey is a lovely, cute farm animal. Let's wash him. Here we go, donkey. Let's check out the next one, and the next one is a mouse. Mouse is a small animal, comes in a farm animal category. Let's wash him. Here we go, mouse. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have this big black African bear. It's very dirty. Let's wash him. Let's wash. That's a big one. It will take time. Here we go. Big African bear is clean. And the next one we have is dog. That's a German Shepherd breed. Lovely dog. Dog comes in pet animal category and farm animal category. Here we go. Dog. That's a beautiful one. And the next one we have is Dilophosaurus. That's a basically dinosaur which were on Earth million years ago. Dilophosaurus are herbivorous by diet. They move with 2 legs, and these are the big one. Dilophosaurus.
A Dilophosaurus.
So let's collect the hyena. He's very dirty. Let's wash him. Hyenas are wild animals. They live in a community and these are carnivorous. Hyena.
Whatever's lying around. Wait, I got one. Make mine a cub sandwich. What you think?
And the next one is my favorite cow. Cow is a beautiful, lovely farm animal and she is very dirty right now. Let's wash him. Here we go. Cow. And in last we have this big African hippopotamus. This is the biggest animal with a very big mouth. Let's wash him. Here we go. Hippopotamus. Hippo is clean.
I am a hippopotamus. I never make a fuss. I grunt through my nose, which is slightly big.
So this is it from today. We have some Asian and African animal today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day friends. Take care. Bye bye.